And I just open it now. There were times and I open it in like years, couple of years, or whatever you're ready or something like that. So I saw it and I'm like, oh my god, I have no idea what this is. So I opened ko, I'm crying. Yeah, and all the letters are here pa. Kain it. So,
Hindi ko nakala ako na yung letters.
ah,
Ano ko kaya may letters ng
meron din mga letters na din. Ito din, oh. Ay! Stacy. Oh, palaban si Ate Girl nyo. Binigay niya to sa akin ng birthday ko. Hey, Stacy. Sabi niya, happy birthday, Ate Aya. Thank you for being a good ate to us. You're 20. No, 20 pa ako nito. Tapos magda-22 na ako. Oh my God. Sabi niya, you're 20 now. Ha 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 ha. I wish you